How about a patriotic Pop-Tart sugar cookie thing of Lint? Good morning! Somebody put graffiti on this. Somebody put graffiti on the playground.
That tea?
You open it with her feet.
Do you want that tea? Purple kitty. That purple kitty
Yes.
is a friend of the pink and brown bunny that's at the house. Oh, look at the little mouse too. Very cute.
That guy.
With the
They never get creative with the
sunglasses.
yeah.
The stripy mouse is very cute.
They're all really weird.
Yeah.
Look at that frog.
Not
Can you say hello
to the headless
to the decapitated, wacky waving and fully arm fiddling tooth man? You think that's gonna attract customers? Go! You're gonna get run over.
Yeah. Go. Yeah.
Oh, hello!
Whiskered friend.
Running full speed ahead.
Hi. Hi. Or something. And she wasn't around all day, and she comes at night. When?
Morning.
I'll see Frozen on 9. And so that was my day. I'm currently rendering Rock Your Disney Side Day 1, Part 1. I really don't know what to even, like, name the vlog, if you will. Like, I don't know if there was any... I edited it and I watched it all the way through, but, like, it is still... I'm still wanting to upload something to Gut Miley of a montage of it with, like, actually fading, whatever, like, this is just drag and dropping for the vlog's sake. Yeah, I don't know what to name it besides Rock Your Disney Side Part 1, but that sounds so boring. I mean, more people will watch it if it's just called Rock Your Disney Side, but whatever, I'm on it, it's good. Yeah, that was my day. This is my new phone. This is my new phone. The YouTube buffering, I guess, takes shorter. You can actually, like, watch it. Like, before I had to, like, download them and then watch it all the way through. Whatever. I guess it was kind of convenient. I can't complain. I have an inner camera and time hop, so it's really exciting, and a faster buffering speed or whatever. Can't tether with it. There is, like, this little Wi-Fi stick, I guess, that I still want to get at Walmart. I want to upload again. I want to be able to go on the internet again. I'm just really gonna miss the Nokia camera. It's good to be home. It's good to be home. It's good to be home. And we're already starting another project. Yeah. Grails. Turns out, didn't have enough ink to make enough of these honeycombs. Sorry, would have been cute. Yeah. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep in my own bed. It's good to be home. Guess I got 2 more weekends. Man, my voice is groggy. Whatever. Never grew up. I can't watch Hook. We broke the tape. And I'll see you tomorrow. My voice will sound better. I promise. Bye.
Never grow up?
Never grow up!